Let's assume someone asks you to build a star schema based on the data available at the silver data layer. As we know that we were reading data from the on-premises, we were reading data from the Excel, and the trained data is loaded into the silver layer. Now quickly we will review the data based on these tables. Someone asks you to create a Varna schema. How we can make the start schema based on these tables. Today we will try to explore and understand how to create a views based on the tables which we were reading from Excel source as well as from the on-premises SQL source. Based on the views, how to write data into our next layer. Golden layer, write the gold layer. The serve layer or the aggregated layer for the business. How we will write those and how we will create a dimension tables as well as the fact table. Let us get started. Welcome back to Vijay Tech Talks. If you are not subscribed to our video, if you are watching first time, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us get started. Here we have a list of tables, right? How basically you can create a views. I have already created views. If you quickly, I have already prepared a table scripts. Considering the length of the video, I already prepared a table scripts in detail. I will provide this table scripts in our video description. You can copy it from there. You can build your own table. Here we have a list of, see how I was building. You can see I'm just using the drops table if exists. I'm joining with the help of inner join, Excel source and customer table. This is sales customer from on-premises customer data Excel from Excel source, right? Just I'm combining these two. I'm creating a view dim customer join view. Okay, the similar way I'm creating different views, salesperson store views and different views. We were creating like an even for the fact. If you look at fact joined order, this is the another view where I'm combining the multiple tables. Just I am doing the inner join and I have created a fact joined orders. Okay, quickly we will review. Just this is SSMS, the same thing. You can do it, even in the fabric workspace as well. Just let me click on views. We will see how many views we have. See, we have a different views, fact view and dimension views. We have a different views right now. The views are there. Just if you would like to check the data of the view, like what you can do is just do top 100 rows. Just you can verify whether you are getting the records or not. See, we are able to see the records, right? Which means that our views are working properly. You can just quickly, you can review the fact join as well. See, we have few records for the event for the fact joined orders. Isn't it now? So we are good with this. And if someone asks you like, and the views are built on top of these silver tables, right? Now let me go back to my workspace and I will click on my golden data layer and gold data warehouse. As I said, our intention is to load the data from silver layer to gold layer, right? So you can click on tables. Do you have any tables? I have to delete, write a query for deletion. Actually, let me drop it. Just I am dropping this table. I have dropped this table now. Nothing is there under this tables right now. How to load data from silver to here, right? Just what I can do, take a new SQL query. Just I will write select star into like what I can do. We know that the warehouse is the schema gold dbh.dbo. What is the view name? The first view name, I'll go back here. I will leave here. Let me delete this. I will say dim customer from where just I am reading this one from silver layer. How this naming conventions also make sure that silver DH, right? I am executing this perfect, successfully executed. Let me quickly review. Are there any tables under the tables? Let me quickly refresh your expand. See, we have a table now, right? This is the one method where we can manually, you can read data from the silver warehouse and load data into the your goal. What you can do is see if continuously, like if you want to the frequently. If you want to do this one quite often, might be the records are changing from the source. Just you want to automate, just what you can do is rather doing all these things, like in a quickly, we can write a stored procedure and then you can build a stored for all the tables. All the tables. You can create dimensions and facts as well based on the views. And then you can, whenever you need fresh data, just simply you can execute that stored procedure. Okay, makes sense. So let me. So I have created a stored procedure for all this. What we can do is just let me take the stored procedure. Here I have created a stored procedure for our scenario. This earlier I did manually write for one table, like see here we have one table. Just I am creating the stored procedure. Now just create, or I have created a stored procedure. Let me execute this load procedure. Now see here we have tables here, the tables created for us, and I can see all the tables here. Let me try to create. We will try to execute this. Let me quickly review, okay? Let's execute. Okay, it will take a while because we have used data. See here, it's executing now. It will take a while to load the data into these tables. So well, after executing of my stored procedure, and I can see this data here, as I said, see all those tables. The dimensions are created here as well as fact table, which we created with the help of the views. Okay, I can see the records as well. So now we are good with this, and let's go back to my workspace just for the tracking purpose and for the stages. What I can do is just I will remove this. What is our, to just add in work item here, prepare data, just drag and drop here just for tracking. Actually, if anybody comes in here, like, and if they want to check whether what exactly we were doing, loading data from the silver to gold, right? So here what you can do is you can rewrite this. You can edit and just you can see. Okay, perfect. So just save, that's all. So now no need to create, no worries, no need to create any workflow, anything. As we know that like we have prepared gold layer based on store procedure with the help of the store procedure based on the silver layer views. Right now the next step what we will do after this one, like we will prepare the semantic model for this one, the gold layer, the semantic model. Then once the semantic model is ready, then I think we are good with our project end-to-end scenario. Then we will try to visualize the data. We will try to model the data and visualize the data at Power BI level. So I hope you learned something from this episode. How to read data, how to prepare views on top of the silver layer. Then how to read data from with the help of those views, and how to load data into your goal layer. Okay, so if you like this video, please leave a thumb and let me know if you have any questions. And feel free to comment on this video. We will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.